Okay, so untuk example 14, case where different interest rate after certain period. Okay, so untuk example ni, there are two different rates given, 8% and 10%. Okay, which is first, the term of investment is 5 years. Okay, so for the first 3 years, the interest rate is 8%. Okay, and then after 3 years, the interest rate change to 10%. Okay, so the first question, calculate the amount of interest for the first 3 years. Okay, so which is the principal is 500. Okay, so itu dia lah kat sini, 500. And then R is by using 8%, so 0.08, and T is equals to 3. So the amount of interest, okay, so kita guna I equal to PRT. So I is equal to PRT. Okay, so substitute P is 500, R is 0.08, and T is 3 years. Okay, so 500 times 0.08 times 3 is equals to 120. Okay, the amount of interest for the first 3 years. Okay, next, for question B, calculate the amount of interest after the bank change the interest rate, which is 10%. Okay, so maknanya after 3 years lah. Okay, so you ganti kat sini, okay, P, the principal, okay, principal kat sini 500. So untuk simple interest rate, you kena ingat mesti kira interest tu mesti based on original principal lah. So maknanya original principal kat sini 500. Okay, so R kita akan guna 10% lah, 0.1. And T after maksudnya term after the bank change the interest rate, so after 3 years, maknanya between 3 years to 5 years ada 2 tahun, so maknanya T is equals to 2 lah. Okay, so using formula I equal to PRT, so substitute 500 times 0.1 times 3. Okay, so 500 times 0.1 times 3, times 2 is equals to 100. Okay, so for the next question, find the total amount of interest. So maknanya you nak cari and amount at the end of investment, which is S. Okay, amount at the end of 5 years. So by using formula P, S is equals to P plus I, which is I sekarang ni ada 2 lah. Okay, maksudnya I1, this one is I1 by using 8% simple interest. This one is I2, I1 by using 8%. Okay, and then I2 by using 10% simple interest. So S is equals to P plus I1 or IA plus I2 or IB. Okay, so 500 plus 120 plus 100. So the total amount of her investment is 500 plus 120 plus 100 is equals to 720.